I started 2 years ago in BEA Americas in Pittsburgh, where I'm from, and I was helping to set up a manufacturing line there. And then after a year or so, I came here to Liège to visit some colleagues and to do some training. And I learned that there were some positions open actually, and so I applied for one, and I was surprised actually at how open to that idea of a transfer from business unit to business unit the management was. Yes, I'm working on the manufacturing lines to repair equipment that breaks. Mostly that takes up most of my time, but also to improve things that aren't working quite right. And that's it's a nice thing to do day to day because people come to me with problems and I get to fix them, and then everyone is hopefully happier at the end of the day. So it's definitely encouraged to develop competencies and new skills, maybe a little bit outside of what I'd be doing day to day normally. So there's definitely room to evolve and grow in my role here, and I feel I have the impression that's true across a wide variety of different jobs here. Bon, ce que j'aime chez BEA, c'est un lieu de travail où je suis franchement heureux d'y aller tous les matins. Et c'est vraiment à cause des gens. Nous avons une équipe ici qui est forte, je veux dire, au niveau technique, mais également au niveau personnel. Ils ont été très chaleureux. C'était vraiment grâce à l'équipe ici que j'ai pu intégrer ici à Liège plus facilement que j'avais imaginé. Et en plus, je pense que je suis libre de développer mes connaissances selon pas uniquement les besoins de l'entreprise, mais aussi selon mes envies personnelles.